Update. Yes, this is Gabriel. Remember, I was having a rattling problem with my BMW 530i, and problem solved, buddies. I, after going through the diesel valve, Vanos, all that other stuff, finally figured out it was the flex plate on the flywheel. The three ears broke off. It was just rattling inside. Lost a lot of torque. Um, Changed it out. Changed the new flywheel. Got a new flex plate. Running healthier than Seabiscuit. So we finally got an answer to that rattling sound, and it was the flex plate. Thank you for listening. I hope that helps anybody that needs help. Peace.